Hello and welcome to the week ahead video. Just a couple of topics to cover over the next 5 trading sessions. Starting off on Wednesday, we have the Federal Open Market Committee minutes from the latest rate decision, where of course they did indicate, well, the chairman Bernanke indicated in the press conference that the Fed could look towards bringing back its bond buying program and tapering that QE, possibly by the end of 2013, which has prompted many analysts to bring forward their expectations for that announcement to September of this year. So since that decision itself, we've seen rampant dollar strength, with 10-year yields in the US reaching multi-year highs. So look for some further clarity as to just how many members of the FOMC were pro and how many were against that announcement out of Ben Bernanke. But elsewhere this week, we do also have some key data due to cross the wires out of China. We have the trade balance and CPI figures for the latest month's readings, which should give some further information on just how fast and how far the Chinese economy is in fact slowing, as we do continue to see these investment banks and research houses trimming their 2013 and 2014 growth forecasts for the East Asian dragon. So that will likely take some precedence over the commodities markets. However, that does continue to still be dominated by focus on Egypt, as the civil unrest does continue well in towards this week. Worth remembering, last week we saw those rate decisions out of the Bank of England and the European Central Bank, both touching on very dovish tones, both indicating and indeed conducting forward guidance in the case of the ECB. So let's see just how that rhetoric is maintained. We have a number of key ECB speakers due throughout the next 5 trading sessions, not just to mention Draghi on Monday, with the likes of Kua and Novotny also due to speak up until Friday. But on a final note, we do see US earnings season kick off with Alcoa aftermarket on Monday, but this all sets up for the financial heavyweights, being JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, due to report this Friday, likely to take the focus of the US equity markets this week. So of course we'll bring you all those announcements and releases as soon as they hit the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. For the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a fantastic 5 days of trade.